Alright guys, you have learned a lot about inheritance, you've learned a lot about classes, about objects, and I just want you to keep in mind that the things you learn here about object-oriented programming will be very applicable going forward. So for example, if you will look at an Ethereum contract, Solidity contract, you will realize that a lot of things are actually very similar, and each Ethereum smart contract is actually kind of like a class. So just some things to keep in mind. Obviously we haven't done any Ethereum programming yet, but we will very soon, and your knowledge about classes will come in handy when you're learning that. And of course, when we're talking about EOS, classes will be used a lot on EOS, so therefore it is very important that we actually keep all this knowledge in mind and that you actually study everything that we teach you in these chapters before we get into Ethereum, before we get into EOS, because that is when things are becoming serious, and that is when you really need to have a very solid foundation of knowledge before we get there. And so therefore I encourage you to really understand classes, encourage you to really understand inheritance, and if you haven't yet tried to understand it, if you've just jumped past it, if you jumped through it without understanding it, you need to understand it, guys, because without it I don't know how you're going to survive later on. So definitely do that, and I'll see you guys very soon. If you have any issues, you understand that there is a forum. I hope you are in the forum. I hope you're active in the forum, and ask questions there, interact with the community, help other people who are struggling, and let's all spread the knowledge, let's all spread the understanding of this, because this is crucial. This is crucial to really understand and to be part of this movement when it comes to, for example, EOS, when it comes to Ethereum, and in order to be part of the movement, you need to understand this that we're teaching you. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you understand what you have learned, and next up we have C++ next level, where we will talk about more advanced topics in C++.